Welcome to Build My Mini. This is Eve. Today, we are creating a tiny, peaceful world for our Zuru babies. It feels so calm to watch them resting in a room made just for them. This kit comes with everything you need to build a sweet nursery. There is a small baby bed, a changing table, and a closet that really opens. We also have a soft rug and a little play tent for the floor. The best part is that you can build this whole scene inside a regular shoebox. It is a simple and fun way to make something beautiful, to make it extra special. You can add tiny diapers and milk powder from our other sets. I hope this project helps you feel quiet and stress-free. Let your hands stay busy so your mind can rest. I hope you like our Build My Mini paper craft projects. We share new ideas every week to help you relax. Stay with me, because the video is just starting.